Meaning of infest.
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 Infest. The word infest means to overrun or inhabit in large numbers, especially with harmful or unwanted organisms. It refers to the invasion and spread of pests or parasites which can seriously damage crops, properties, and human health. The result of infestation can be devastating for both humans and animals. Infested areas can become unsanitary and dangerous as they harbor harmful bacteria and viruses that spread diseases. In agriculture, infestations can lead to significant crop losses and threaten food security. Infestations also cause economic losses as businesses have to spend money on pest control measures or suffer reduced productivity. Overall, infestations disrupt ecosystems and affect the health and well-being of all living organisms in the affected areas.